I am Akanksha and I am here today to discuss with you a topic which is not only just close to my heart, but I'm sure it is also close to all those parents' hearts whose kids are in an age group of 3 to 5. Yes guys, the topic for today is nurturing our little ones' writing skills even before they turn 3. Well, it's never too early to start, and I'm here to share some gentle playful techniques to introduce your toddlers to the word of writing. But first you may ask, why start so early? Well, because it is all about laying a foundation for communication and self-expression. So grab your note-taking tools and let's make learning some fun. Well, before we start, it is important to understand what is expected at this tender age. Kids under 3 are at a sensory exploration stage. They learn through touch, taste, sight and sound. This is not about perfect letters or even actual words, It is about getting them comfortable with holding a crayon and making marks on a surface. Visual of these milestones can help us better gauge where our little ones might be and what exactly can we do to encourage them. Remember, each child is unique, so these milestones are guides, not strict rules. Setting up a writing-friendly environment is the key. Make it colorful, make it fun, and most importantly, make it accessible to them. Lay out large sheets of paper on the floor and let your child walk over them with crayons in their hands. This not only will make it a fun play activity, but will also reduce any pressure to perform, It is about free expression. Here is a tip. Use bright, chunky crayons that are easy to grip and safe for younger children. Remember, safety first, always. Engagement is crucial, yes. Sit with your child and show them how it is done. Start with simple dots and lines and make up stories about your drawings, like, look, Mama made a line. Can you make a line next to Mama's? See, it is all about interaction after all, not instruction. Celebrate every scribble as if it is a masterpiece, because in their word, it actually is. This encouragement builds their confidence and love for writing. Finally, integrate writing into your daily routine. Let your child see your writing. They learn by mimicking us. When you make a shopping list or a grocery list, hand them a notepad and ask them to help you. It might just be scribble to us, but in their way, it is their contribution to family chores. Make it a habit and they look forward to these moments. Also, consider giving them a whiteboard marker to doodle on the fridge. That's always a hit. As we wrap, remember dear parents, the goal isn't perfection, it is about expression and love for learning. Every child moves at their pace and our role is to support them with a smile and lots of encouragement. If you found these tips helpful, do like, share and subscribe for more insights into our journey of parenting. Until next time, keep nurturing, keep loving and keep inspiring those little minds. Tata, bye bye, namaste.